What is goody, my people? We're back again with another gem. Now, listen, y'all. So a lot of you guys have asked for updates on my kind of passive income from my crypto. So if you guys do not know, about a month ago, like 2 days shy of a month ago, I put $100,000 into an app called Celsius, which basically allows me to earn interest on my crypto just for it literally sitting in there. So I think I earned 5% or 6% on Ethereum annually and about 10% on Polygon or Matic annually. And I told you guys at the end, I cannot even talk today, huh? And I told you guys at the end, why am I talking in the British accent, man? And I told you guys at the end of the bloody month, I would tell you guys and show you guys kind of how much like I made from the passive income, as well as how much I liked just like the whole experience of being on the app. At this point, I'm just disrespecting whatever accent I'm trying to do, so I'ma just stop. But I told you guys I'll tell you guys my experience on how I like the app, how I liked keeping all my money in that, well, not all of it, keeping that large sum of money in that app, just kind of give you guys the pros and cons of it, and of course show you guys how much I made passively from literally just keeping my money inside there. So today is the day I'm going to break down and show you guys exactly how much I make passively on my cryptocurrency on top of the percentage gains that I make from each coin that I hold going up. So if you did not watch the original videos right up there, you're gonna wanna go watch that first just so you kind of understand what's going on here. But basically Celsius is just like a website, or it's an app as well, where let's say it's Coinbase, but instead of your money just sitting in there, your money is sitting there and earning interest on top of it. So if you guys know what dividend trading is, like with stocks, it's technically like that, except with crypto. So different cryptos will pay out certain percentages. So like I said, Ethereum, I think is 6% or 5%, something like that. Matic or Polygon is 10%. Bitcoin is probably 5% or 6%. It's really all varies. It's a bunch of different currencies that you can have on there, and depending how much you have in that cryptocurrency is how much they will pay you annually. But the good thing about this app is that they don't just pay you every year or every quarter. They pay you every week, Mondays specifically. They pay you every Monday, just a percentage of your annual return that you're supposed to receive back. So that is good, and well, I think it's good both ways actually, because your money gets to compound even more because it pays you back in the crypto that it took the percentage from. So if you have $100,000 worth of Ethereum in there and it pays you $5,000, it's gonna pay you $5,000 in Ethereum. So you're kind of compounding that money. So when you're getting paid on your next week, where you're gonna get the annual return or the interest being paid, you're gonna get paid on that $100,000 vert plus the $5,000 that they paid you last week. So you know your money is compounding a lot faster just due to the fact that they're paying it every single week. Now I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys. You guys know how much I put in this app, and if you've been keeping up with the crypto market has been in a, I was about to say a little, but it's been in a pretty big, hello, work. English today is certainly not my thing. I'm over here not even saying words. I'm over here speaking in English accents, switching to Australian accents, and now I can't even just say regular English words. This is ridiculous. But anyways, it's been going through a pretty big correction. Crypto as a whole, no matter what crypto you're holding, you have, your portfolio was looking pretty sad right now. So if you did not sell, you feel me? If you have the diamond hands like myself, I'm saying, if you have paper hands, you sold. But if you have diamond hands like myself, we do not sell, we hold to the moon. If you guys want me to make a video kind of how I am gonna be profitable during the bear market, because you know we have a bull market, which means all the cryptos are going up, and then we have a bear market, which means all the cryptos are going down. I'm not saying this is the bear market yet, but I think we're getting towards the end of the bull market, but I do not think we have reached our final push. So that's why I'm still confidently holding my crypto. No matter how much money or how much my portfolio dips down, I will still hold it, because I strongly believe that we are not at the end of the bull run. But I said all that to say, I did put $100,000 into this app, and I have not taken anything out. Now I could have lied and be like, oh, I took out all this money, I didn't actually lose all these profits. But I want to be transparent with you guys. Let's just get right into this. So as you can see on the top of my screen, my portfolio balance is now at $66,000. That means I lost $34,000 in the month. Well, I technically didn't lose it, it's just the price of Ethereum has dropped dramatically. I believe each Ethereum is at like 1,800 right now, and by the time when I made that video last month, Ethereum was at like 2,400. So I did lose a substantial amount of money. Plus Polygon, I did have a pretty big holding in Polygon as well. I think I had like $40,000 in Polygon at the time, and now it's at $21,000. Polygon shot all the way up from being at like $2.11 all the way at one point it touched $1. So the market has been pretty crazy. I tend to not look at my any of the cryptocurrency numbers just due to the fact that I enjoy my happiness, and every time I seem to look at the crypto, I just instantly get sad. So I would rather not put myself through those type of emotions, you know. But my portfolio in here is at $66,000, right? And I told you guys the different percentages. So if you look here on Ethereum, the green part says I get paid 5.05% annually on all Ethereum I keep in there. And Polygon, aka Matic, I get paid 10.51% annually on all the Matic that I hold in there. So technically what that means is, say I have $21,000 worth of Polygon in there right now. If Polygon, like the price of Polygon does not fluctuate and my portfolio stays at 21,000, at the end of the year I would have been paid out a little bit more than 2,100 per year. And for Ethereum, you could do the math, it would be 2,000 something, I believe, for Ethereum as well, if it stays at the if it stays at 41,000, which is what I have in there right now. But obviously we're not hoping for that. We're hoping Ethereum hits $1 billion, and I make this video in another month and I'm making $100 million for doing absolutely nothing. But I forgot to say this, if you guys want to get into this app, you can use the link inside the description. All you have to do is deposit $400 and you get $40 worth of just free crypto. So if you want to get into it, there you can. It pays you out passively every month. Like I said, this is not a paid promotion, but if you do sign up, I think I get $40 too. So you know, everybody eats, you feel me? But on to how much I made passively for just holding my money in here. Then I'll get into the pros and cons of the app, what I think about it, what I suggest it for everybody. So let's scroll up, and it shows my total earnings right here, $314. Now keep in mind, I didn't get paid $314, and I didn't even reach the 4 weeks, like the whole month. So next, in about 2 days, it'll send me my last payment, so it'll technically be the whole month, and I'll tell you guys how much, I'll calculate how much I technically will be getting paid this following Monday, so you guys can understand how much I got paid in the whole month from me having my money in there. But like I was saying, I didn't get paid $314. I got paid more than that, but like I said, they pay you in whatever coin you're holding in there. So they might have paid me $100 worth of crypto 1 week, but then the price of the crypto went down to $80. So that's why it's showing $314 worth of total earnings, when in reality I was getting, actually it shows you right here, if we scroll down, it shows every single payment I've got. So all the way at the bottom, the 47.10, that was the first time I ever got paid. The first week I had my money in there. $47 was from Ethereum, for me holding my Ethereum in there. And then Matic was $78, just for holding my Matic inside of there. So in total I made, come on, quick maths, 120, yeah, $125.45 in the first week. I really hope I did that math correctly. If not, it's somewhere around there. That's all we've seen. Let's just say I got paid $125 that 1 week. The next week I got paid $65 worth and $60 worth, so I got paid $125 again technically. Then the week after that I got paid $54 and $52, which comes out to $106, give or take a couple pennies. And then the week after that, I got paid another $108. We put the $57 and $51 together, another $108. So overall, it did the, wait, is this math even right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, because I would have, like, this is the total amount that I got paid. But you guys see, like, this all together, I'm not sure what the number is, I'll put it on the screen right there. But that number compared to $314, like I was telling you guys, they paid me in these cryptos, and these cryptos ended up, we're in a huge correction, so we're on a downtrend. So what used to be more than $400 is now equal to just $314. So technically I got paid $400, and this next week, which has been my final payment for the whole month, I would probably get paid another $100 or so, give or take. So technically, for keeping my money in here, I got paid let's just say $500, give or take a couple $100 just due to the fluctuation of the market. But if, let's say all these coins were stable, I would have got paid upwards of $500, $600 just for holding my crypto inside of this wallet versus keeping it inside Coinbase. So honestly, that's pretty decent passive income for literally doing absolutely nothing, just keeping my crypto in a separate wallet other than Coinbase, because Coinbase does not offer these interest rates just due to the fact that Coinbase can't really afford that because they don't really offer out lending as much as this app does. So that's why this app is able to offer their holders some type of interest being paid back to them, because they're making money from people lending their crypto, if that makes sense. But I can now get into the pros and cons if I think this was actually worth it or not. Personally, if we weren't in a bear market, well, on a downtrend, because I don't think we're in a bear market, like I said, if we weren't on a downtrend, I think it's absolutely amazing. It's a great source of passive income just for literally having your crypto staying in here. But because we're on a downtrend, the only thing that really sucks about this app is that it does not allow you to transfer or exchange cryptos for other cryptos. Because what I do in a bear market, I'll kind of get into my strategy for making money in a bear market, is when the price jumps up. So let's say Ethereum is on a downtrend. We all know price doesn't just go straight up and then just all the way up. Price goes up, down a little bit, up, down a little bit. That's an uptrend. And on a downtrend, it goes down, up a little bit, down, up a little bit. So what I do when we're in a downtrend with crypto, I'll wait for it to go, or it'll go down a little bit. Then once it goes up a little bit, I'll sell it and put into a stable coin, which is a coin that's equal to the US dollar, a coin that does not move. So it's kind of just holding your funds there without selling your funds off and you having to pay taxes on it. So I would wait for it to, well, it would go down unexpectedly because I can't predict the market. I'll wait for it to go up a little bit. Then right when I see it's about to go down again, I would get out of I would transfer all my coins into a stable coin, wait for it to go down again. Once I see it's at the down position and it's about to go up for a little bit, just to retrace, I'll put all my coins in again, ride a little 10% wave up. Then when I see it's about to go down again, get out and transfer back to my stable coins, and so on and so on and so on. But this app limits that. I can't really do that at all. It doesn't let me transfer my Ethereum or my Matic to any stable coins, which really sucks, which has made me lose, like I said, $34,000. I think that is the number we came up with, from $100,000 all the way down to 60, whatever it is now. It's not at $100,000. So yeah, I made $500 in a month, but I lost $34,000 or yeah, whatever, $34,000 in the month. So technically I only lost $33,500 since I made $500, right? No, not funny? Yeah, I'm not laughing either. So for that reason, I think it was not a smart choice. But in a bull run, I personally think it's an absolutely amazing choice. Nobody could have predicted such a hard downtrend right now. Like I said, I don't think we're in a bear market right now. I think we're kind of just in like an uncertainty market. I think it's gonna be one more final push to the upside, and then we're gonna go into a bear market. So I'm just waiting for that. But that is one con of it being inside of this app. Another con I would say for the app is not all the coins that they offer on here pay out interest. Like I put some XRP I had lying around into here, and it pays 0% interest on that. So that's another con. Not all of them pay you out interest. Another con is that they don't have as many coins as Coinbase, which I mean is perfectly fine for me, because I didn't put my whole entire portfolio into this. Thank God, because then it would have all been stuck there, and I wouldn't. Well, it's not stuck because you can transfer out whenever you want. It's just I would have to pay the fees every single, like the huge fees, to transfer it out every single time I wanted to do it, and it's just a big hassle to transfer it from there to let's say Coinbase or something like that, and back into there, then back into Coinbase. It's just a whole big thing. So you can't, your money is not locked in there at all. You can transfer it whenever you want. But I was just saying, it just makes it a lot more harder and makes the process more expensive as well, because there's more steps to transferring it to Coinbase, then converting it from whatever coin you have into a stable coin. And then when you want to put it back, you gotta convert the stable coin back into Ethereum. Then Ethereum, you gotta send it back over here. Then it's just a whole big process that it just kind of turns me off from the whole thing itself. But overall, like I said, in a bull market, I think it's absolutely amazing. I will probably still keep some money in here, but I think I'm going to take some money out just for now until the market kind of figures out what the heck it wants to do. And I'm gonna just day trade the money. I'm gonna just take out most of the money that's in here, day trade it, build it back up, like I was saying, my strategy, where when it goes up or when it goes down, I'll wait for it to come up, then sell it, then get back in and all that stuff. But yeah, so this is the video just telling you guys, showing you guys how much I made passively just from holding my cryptocurrency, just like anybody else will hold their cryptocurrency. I did nothing special. I just transferred it into this wallet. Like I said, if you want to get into this, you can use the link inside the description. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys were able to get something out of it. If you guys use Celsius or BlockFi or Gemini Earn or any other interest paying app, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys lost as much money as me. But it's not a loss because you don't lose until you sell, right? That doesn't make it hurt any less. But that's the end of the video. Like the video right now. If you have any questions, leave them inside the comments down below, or you can DM me on Instagram over there at Joovier_. And yeah, good luck on all your trades. Let's all hope the market goes back green. Like when I say green, I mean like 1,000,000% on the upward side, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next video.